Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have a really fun unboxing. I've had this for a couple days and I needed to change up my setup, change up my lighting, so I'm hoping my lighting is a lot better moving forward. But if you can tell by the title of today's video, we have some fun Gucci to unbox. This is definitely something that I've been wanting in my collection and I just finally decided to bite the bullet. But if you'd like to see what I got, then just please keep on watching. So, like I said, I got some Gucci. I haven't even opened it. Like, I wanted to get my full reaction on camera. Here are my, janky scissors. But here is the bag. So can anyone take a guess what I got? Anyone? Maybe? I don't know. Can you guess what I got? This is literally super cute. Oh my god, it's so adorable. I don't even wanna this is the one thing I whenever if you buy anything that's luxe, from Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Dior, they just put it in this pretty packaging and you just don't want to ruin it, and then you want to redo it, and then it's how did they do it? But I love saving the boxes and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and dive in. Kind of show you guys. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, gotta take this off. Little dust bag. And oh my god, it's so pretty. So I got a key holder. So I'm gonna put right in the middle, the big one, my car key. So this is what the keys look like. Like I said, I have a pretty big key. And then I have my house key. So I'm gonna close it. So like I said, it looks like this closed. It is a little bit bunchy. That's the only thing that I was kind of worried about, and it is kind of bending right here. So if you don't have a really chunky key like this one is, it probably would work better. And this is what my Gucci bag looks like. It is a little bit different. It isn't the little chevron. It's more like a smooth leather, so you guys can kind of see a little comparison. So the Marmont leather key case is $210, and then with tax, and then you get shipping is free. I think it's 1 or 2 day shipping. It came to a total of $226.80, which I want to say the Louis Vuitton one is about the same price. It might be maybe $10 or $15 more. Honestly, I can't remember. But this one's super cute. Like I said, I can't wait to put this in my bag and put the rest of my keys on it. So if you have a big car key like I do, you are going to it's gonna bulge out. It's gonna kind of, I don't say bulge right here. It's gonna look like this. So if this is something that you don't really care for, or if you do care for it, then you're not gonna like this. And if you do have a Gucci Marmont bag, this will definitely be a perfect addition to your collection. But that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I definitely will be having a lot more content coming up. I've gotten a lot of bags recently, and I actually got a bag today. I'm hoping that how big it is, because it's a little smaller bag, that it fits everything that I want to fit in there. I definitely will be unboxing it with you guys, so I would definitely try to spread them apart, because I don't want to be unboxing a handbag, unboxing a handbag, unboxing a handbag. But handbags and shoes are just, it's my kryptonite. But before we head out, make sure you subscribe to my channel down below. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye guys.
You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in.